Hey guys, welcome to my honest OfferLab review. As you can see from today's video title, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about OfferLab, including the pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision and see if this platform is right for you. First things first, if you haven't already, I've included a link down below where you can sign up for a free account. It's 100% free. I also highly recommend checking it out because OfferLab has an upsell, the $497 OfferLab certification, which can help increase your affiliate commissions and comes with additional courses and training. How OfferLab works. The process is simple and transparent. Sign up for free. Create your OfferLab account and gain instant access to the marketplace. List your offers. Upload your own offers for exposure to a growing global audience. Collaborate and earn. Partner with affiliates, promote others' products, or mix offers from different vendors. Refer and grow. Invite other creators or affiliates and earn recurring lifetime commissions from their activity. To give you a real look at the platform, I've created a fresh account so you can see what it looks like. Today's video will also cover the affiliate aspect, which is a huge opportunity. You may have heard about the 2% and 4% commissions, and even Russell shows how you can earn 100% commissions on a $497 product, which is incredible. But OfferLab isn't just about the affiliate program. There are other ways to make money that I'll show you today. Before we go further in detail, let's hear from the owner, Russell Brunson, who created ClickFunnels and the OfferLab, have to say.
More money? If so, you're in the right spot. I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. Now, the first question people always ask me is, well, Russell, I'm already selling on ClickFunnels or GHL or Shopify or Patreon or some other platform. And the good news is the OfferLab actually integrates with those systems. We're not competing against you. In fact, the fulfillment of whatever offers you're selling will still be fulfilled on those platforms. All you're doing is you're adding your offer to our marketplace. And the way you do it is very simple. The first step is you take the URL of wherever you're currently selling the product and you copy and paste it into OfferLab's AI sales page builder. We'll take all the videos, the images, the bullet points, the headlines from that sales letter, and we'll build it into an OfferLab page, both a sales page version and an upsell version. And that's basically all you have to do. Then you can literally sit back and start receiving mailbox money while our funnel builders and our affiliates start taking your offer and adding it to the front end or to the upsell flow of their funnels, which is kind of cool. By taking your current offer and then collabing with other people who have offers inside of our marketplaces, you can build an entire sales funnel. Now, instead of making $100 for every core sale, you can make $200 or $300 or more. It's the fastest way to increase your average order value, which gives you the ability to spend more money on traffic and on advertising. And so there's a lot of ways you can use OfferLab to grow your business very, very quickly. So if you're an offer owner and you just want to include your products on the OfferLab platform, that's very easy to do. And if you're an offer owner who wants to be able to quickly create funnels with upsells and downsells, selling your product as well as other people's, you can do it all here inside of OfferLab, which is a few simple clicks of a button. And the best thing about OfferLab is it's completely free to join. So all you gotta do is click the link down below, create your account, and let's copy and paste and get your offers into OfferLab today. How can I use OfferLab to make more money from every single click that I send? If so, that's what this video is all about. Now, traditionally as an affiliate, you'd sign up to promote somebody's product or their service, and you're kind of at the whims of that offer creator, right? Whatever their sales funnel is, whatever their upsells, their downsells are, like you don't have any control over that. You just promote it and hope for the best that those pages are gonna convert. Now, OfferLab is different because you as an affiliate and a promoter, you have the ability to actually control what the funnel looks like, okay? You can log into our marketplace and see literally thousands of the highest converting offers of all time. And you can take that and say, okay, this offer makes the most sense as the first offer. And then this one makes the most sense as order form bump. And this makes the most sense as upsell one and then downsell. You can build an entire funnel in less than 60 seconds and then literally instantly turn on traffic and start making sales. And if the funnel's not converting, or maybe upsell number 2 is not converting, you can take out upsell number 2 and add a new upsell. You can add upsell number 3. Like you have the power in your hands. This is literally the future of affiliate marketing. I call it affiliate evolution because no longer are you handcuffed by the whims of the offer creator, the person who built the funnel. Now you have control of everything. On top of that, you can even include your own offers inside the upsell flow, or maybe you want to create your very own front-end offer to plug into the front of this funnel and upsell and downsell other people's products. You can do that as well very quickly and very easily here inside of OfferLab. The coolest thing is OfferLab is actually free to join, so all you gotta do right now is click on the link down below, create your free account, and then go start building out your very first funnel.
Okay, coming back to OfferLab review. One of the first ways to earn outside the affiliate program is by adding your own offer or product to OfferLab. You can upload your offer even if you're using platforms like Go High Level or ClickFunnels. The platform allows you to clone existing funnels so you don't disrupt your current setup. Once cloned, your funnel is added to the marketplace where other affiliates can promote it. The best part? OfferLab handles all payments to affiliates automatically. You just clone your funnel and add it to the platform, potentially increasing traffic and sales with minimal effort. Another way to earn is by browsing the marketplace. You can grab high-quality products and build your own funnel around them, or even bundle multiple products into a super funnel to promote. The marketplace shows details like commissions, reviews, product type, images, and descriptions. You can explore offers in categories like e-commerce, digital goods, courses, coaching, or experiences. Sometimes approval is needed to promote a product, but once approved, you can set up upsells, downsells, and bundles directly inside OfferLab. To make this clearer, let's say you already have a $1,000 course on Go High Level and have sold most of your warm leads. You want to reach a new audience. With OfferLab, you can clone your course funnel, add it to the marketplace, set a commission rate for affiliates, like 50%, and let affiliates promote it. OfferLab automatically handles payouts, so both you and the affiliate benefit, all without affecting your original funnel or sales. This also works with other platforms, and importing products is quick and easy. The biggest advantage of OfferLab is that it handles all payments in one ecosystem. Buyers don't have to bounce across multiple platforms, and commissions are automatically split between creators and affiliates. This eliminates payment chaos and saves everyone time. Now, let's cover the pros and cons. Pros: easy importing and cloning of funnels from ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kajabi, and Shopify. AI-powered page rebuilding. Access to a large affiliate ecosystem backed by Russell Brunson. Centralized checkout and automated commission payouts. Cons: OfferLab is still early stage, so it's not fully established yet. As it grows, the marketplace could get crowded, increasing competition for traffic and affiliate promotion. That said, being an early adopter gives you a huge advantage in recruiting affiliates and maximizing visibility. At the time of recording, the pre-launch starts on 26th August, so there's still time to join early, create your free account, and start leveraging the affiliate program. OfferLab also has tons of bonuses to help you understand the platform better and increase your earning potential. That's it for today's OfferLab review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for the YouTube algorithm. Check the description for links to create your free account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.